Welcome back to NG Auto Review. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated compact EVs of the year, the 2026 Kia EV2. This is Kia's bold move to bring electric mobility to the masses, and we've got all the details you need. Let's get into it. The first thing that stands out is the exterior design. The EV2 doesn't look like your average budget EV, it's modern, sleek, and distinctly Kia. You'll notice the signature tiger face grille is gone, replaced with a clean, closed-off front end. The LED light bar stretches across the face, giving it a futuristic presence. It's compact but not boring, with strong character lines along the sides and a floating roof design that adds a premium touch. The flush door handles and aerodynamic wheels scream efficiency and attention to detail. It feels more expensive than it is. Underneath the skin, the EV2 rides on the e-GMP platform, just like its larger siblings, the EV6 and EV9. While it's not built for speed, performance is solid for city and suburban driving. It comes with a single-motor setup, producing around 160 horsepower and delivering power to the front wheels. Acceleration is smooth and instant, typical of electric motors, but not aggressive. Kia says it'll do 0 to 60 in just under 8 seconds, which is decent for its class. Range-wise, we're looking at roughly 250 miles on a full charge, depending on the trim, with fast charging support that takes it from 10 to 80% in just over half an hour. Inside, the EV2 keeps things minimal yet smart. The dashboard is dominated by a wide dual-screen layout, one for the digital instrument cluster and another for infotainment. Materials feel high quality for the price point, with soft-touch plastics and eco-friendly fabrics throughout. There's decent rear seat room for a subcompact, and the flat floor gives it an airy feel. The cargo area is surprisingly practical, with fold-flat seats and additional underfloor storage. Now let's talk numbers. Kia is aiming this EV at first-time buyers, and pricing reflects that. The expected starting price is around $29,000 before incentives, with fully loaded versions pushing closer to $36,000. It's competitively priced and positioned to be one of the most accessible EVs on the market. That's it for today's review. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. This is NG Auto Review.